Me personally, I think AI is going to go parabolic in 2025, and this project, Grass, offers the ability to earn in AI rewards just by your unused internet, and it's free. So before we get into all of that, none of this is financial advice. I'm not paid by the Grass team in any way, and as of about 10 minutes ago, I'm currently invested into Grass. Just full disclosure. If you want to join the all access for the EPIQ Trading Floor, this is probably your last chance. Speak now, forever hold your peace. I'm running through memberships right now and clearing out some of the people. And then if there are 100 members still left, I will be closing the all access. So you'll have to get on a wait list, and price will go up if you want to join to get access to the timeline, the courses, the community, the members only live streams, the trading floors, all that stuff. So I'll tag the link in the video. It's also in the description, EPIQ EPIQ tradingfloor.com. And like I said, today and tomorrow will probably be the last days to get access without having to get on the wait list. So without further ado, roll the intro and let's get this video started. Grass currently sitting number 153 on CoinGecko, sitting at a $759 million market cap, so still under 1 billion, plenty of room for growth. You have a total supply of 1 billion, max supply of 1 billion. Now keep in mind, circulating supply is very low still. They've only released 25% of their supply. So as you can expect, when they start to release that circulating supply, this could naturally devalue the price of Grass. So just keep that in mind before you get into the project, or before you consider looking to get into the project. Grass is an AI project. It's built on the Solana ecosystem. It's also part of DePIN, and they are part of Polychain Capital Portfolio. So keep in mind, these institutions, they're going to want to get their bag. Don't be the last one holding the bag. Don't be exit liquidity. And this project is brand new. It was released, or at least the token was released in October 28th of 2024. So it's literally been out for less than 2 months. We created a high on November 8th, and then we retested that high November 28th, and we're starting to see a little bit of a downplay. So we'll talk about the chart later on in this video. Now, Grass is an AI project, and what's really cool about this is that you can earn a stake in AI and you can get rewarded for your unused internet. So basically what you do is you download the Grass desktop app, and then you run it in the background of your computer, and then whatever unused internet that you have, you're going to be basically giving it to the Grass network so that they can use that power in order to harness their AI technology and be able to give a better and faster service to all of their users on the other end of the system. What makes this very bullish for me is that it's free to use. So from a parabolic perspective, when you're talking about a marketing perspective, there are certain things that will cause a lot of people to drive to an ecosystem. And then when you use the words free and mining together, so free mining, people are going to go absolutely nuts when they start to realize the benefit that they can use and get from having Grass on their computer. And it's also based on AI, which is going to be, in my personal opinion, one of the best performing ecosystems and sectors going into 2025. We saw how well it did last year. We saw how big of an influence AI was in the mainstream market from 2023 to 2024. So I can only expect that as we get a little bit more advanced into the AI space, that you can see projects like this really go parabolic. So like I was saying, you keep it running in the background to earn. You can keep track of your earnings as is. This is what the actual desktop app will look like. And it's also important to know that they are always protecting your personal data because you are going to be sharing your internet and you're going to be connecting and mining. People always want to make sure that they're protected. They don't want to be giving their data away for free or have their data being sold, because a lot of times what's free might not actually be free. And what's cool too about this is that as you invite your friends for your referral program, you're able to earn more and more rewards. So the more people you invite, the higher rewards go per block, and the more you're going to be able to make in the long run. Very similar to what we see with like BlockDAG or Pi Network, but I think this one is going to be a few more steps ahead because you can actually buy, trade, and sell Grass already, which the other ones you're not able to. And looking at price action on Grass, keep in mind this is a newer project, so there's not that much information. So when you go to the daily, there's not going to be a volume read per se. But at this exact moment, we have our high at about $4, give or take. Currently, price action did create a lower high from November 28th in comparison to November 8th, and we're currently in a little downplay. So I did add a Fibonacci retracement here so you could see some key levels going down. If we wanted to find a support in one of these zones and volume wanted to start flowing back in, that could be very bullish for this play moving forward into 2025. Now, once you break that $4 price, this thing is going to go into price discovery mode, and from that point, the sky is the limit. But based on the Fibonacci itself, depending on how far this wants to retrace, we could theoretically see this go anywhere from $4 to almost $6 in one Fibonacci move. And then from there, when it goes in price discovery, it really just depends on what the market wants to do with it, how many people ape into it. If their marketing plan and budget goes absolutely crazy and they have millions of users staking for free, for example, and earning for free, you could see a very fast drive in price. So all in all, I'm very bullish on Grass. Like I said, I added my first initial DCA position into here. If this does want to slip down more, I'll add more positions. That's the benefit of dollar cost averaging, and that's why I use it so much. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to drop them in the comment section. If you're not subscribed already, hit that subscribe button. If you want to come trade with me, go join the EPIQ Trading Floor. I hope everyone has an amazing morning, afternoon, or evening, depending on wherever you're tuning in the world, and I will see you on the next video.